Standard 7 Subject English Chapter Putting Together a Class Magazine. Welcome children to English class. Today we are going to read a lesson named Putting Together a Class Magazine. You must have seen that many people read magazines. Many of them are for grown-ups people, but some of them are also for children. But instead of buying a magazine from a shop, we can make our own magazine. A magazine can be made by collecting some interesting articles and compiling them into a sort of book. A magazine for children contains stories, poems, word puzzles, picture puzzles, riddles, craft ideas, informative articles, jokes, board games, photographs, quizzes, recipes, tips on how to study, interviews, plays, news items, collection of interesting facts, picture stories, friendly advice, and many other types of materials. You can make your list and start collecting them. Children, tell me which topics from the given list you would like to the most. So, children, now collect specimens of 3 of your favorite materials. Let us come the next part of our lesson. Tara and friends are very busy producing their class magazine. Many children have sent their contributions to the magazine. Others have helped to write it in a beautiful hand and decorate it with colors, photos, pictures and designs. They want to display it on the classroom walls in the form of a collage. That is why they have cut out pieces of the articles. They will arrange them on colored paper with appropriate illustrations. But sadly, the pieces have all got mixed up. Can you help Tara to sort out the pieces? The names of the section of the magazine are given in blue boxes below. Find the names of the items and remaining pieces from those shown on the board. Put them in a proper sequence. Now we find the pieces of articles and put them in a proper sequence. First, name of the section is Craft Corner. Paper penguin. Cut out a head and body shape and 2 wings from black craft paper. Second box, cut out a beak, a hat, a bow tie and feet from different colored craft paper. Paste the different parts together on card paper. Draw a proper background to show the sky and the eyes. Decorate it with colored paper, markers and stickers. Second section, mouth-watering recipes for hungry kids. Green chutney. Ingredients: a medium piece of coconut, green chilies, coriander leaves, salt to taste and 1 or 2 spoonfuls of sugar. Method: first, wash the chilies and coriander leaves. Then, cut the coconut into pieces and add salt and sugar. Fruit chart. Ingredients: a big guava, a big piece of papaya, a big apple, a big slice of pineapple, sweet lemon, segments, lemon juice, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of pomegranate seeds, chaat masala, salt to taste. Method: wash the guava and cut it into big pieces. Put all the ingredients in a glass bowl. Sprinkle chaat masala and mix the ingredients well. Now children, we see some new words. Grown up and adult, proud. Specimen, an example of an entire group or of a particular kind of thing. Namuna. Periodical, a magazine or newspaper published at regular intervals. Niyatkalik. Puzzle, a problem or game designed to test knowledge. कोडे किंवा कूट प्रश्नांचे खेळ. रेसिपी, a set of instructions for preparing a particular dish. Food item, खाद्यपदार्थ बनवण्याची कृती. टिप्स, पॉइंट्स, मुद्दे. रिडल्स, क्वेश्चन्स or games designed to test knowledge or efficiency. कोडी किंवा कूट प्रश्न. इन्फॉर्मेटिव्ह, गिविंग युजफुल इन्फॉर्मेशन, माहितीपूर्ण. फ्रेंडली, काइंड अँड प्लीझंट, मित्रत्वाचे. कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन, हिअर अ पीस ऑफ रायटिंग सबमिटेड फॉर अ जर्नल. योगदान, येथे अर्थ लेख. डेकोरेट, टू मेक समथिंग लुक मोर अट्रॅक्टिव्ह, सुशोभित करणे किंवा सजवणे. कोलाज, a piece of art made by sticking different pieces of paper and photographs. कागदाचे तुकडे आणि छायाचित्रे एकत्र जोडून तयार केलेले चित्र. ॲप्रोप्रिएट, सुटेबल और प्रॉपर, योग्य, साजेसा. इलस्ट्रेशन, एनी पिक्चर गिवन विथ अ पीस ऑफ रायटिंग, स्पष्टीकरणासाठी माहितीसोबत दिलेले चित्र. थर्ड सेक्शन, लाफ्टर इन द क्लासरूम. जय स्टडीज मॅथ्स फर्स्ट. टीचर आस्क्ड, Jay, why are you doing your math multiplication on the floor? Jay said, you told me to do it without using the tables. Jay studies maths too. Teacher asked, Jay, how many feet are there in a yard? Jay said, that depends on how many people are standing there in the yard. Fourth section, advice for friends in need. On losing friendships. My best friend and I are no longer friends, and I lost another friendship a few months ago. I don't want to lose more friendships. Needy friend. Talk to your friends about what you feel. Your parents know you well and are also likely to know your friends. They may tell you what you should do. Didi. Getting so much homework. I have been getting so much homework that I barely have time to play. What should I do? Needy student. To give yourself the most time to play. It's important to use your time wisely. If you are given time to do your homework during school hours, try your best to finish it as much as you can. Didi. Activity, Pretty Paper Bird. Now I will show you how make a pretty paper bird. Follow the instructions and try to make it. Take a square paper. Draw a circle on it. Cut the circle with the help of scissors. Fold it in the middle to form a semicircle. Cut on the folding line to make two folds. Take one half of the circle. Fold the paper as shown in the figure in the direction of the arrow. Fold again as shown by arrow in the figure. Cut it as shown in the image. Fold it in the upward direction. Now make a beak by folding a small portion as shown in the image. Your bird is ready. Now, second, I will show you how to make a pretty boat. Follow the instructions and try to make it. Take a sheet of paper and fold it in half. Fold bottom edge up on both sides. Flatten sideways to make a square. Then fold the other corner up. Flatten sideways to make a square. Fold top corners in towards the middle. Bring the ends together. Fold one bottom corner up. Bring the ends together. Pull the ends down to open. Now boat is ready. Students, now let us do some grammar activities. You have seen last year that there are 4 types of sentences: statements, questions, commands, and exclamations. Some sentences contain negative words like not, no, never, and have a negative meaning. For example, put all the ingredients together. Its negative sentence is don't put all the ingredients together. Fold the paper in half again. Don't fold the paper in half again. Mix the ingredients. Don't mix the ingredients. Wash the guava. Don't wash the guava. Grind them in a mixer. Don't grind them in a mixer. Now, I will give you some more sentences. Try to convert them into negative ones. Put the glass on the table. Don't put the glass on the table. Copy from the textbook. Don't copy from the textbook. Cut the apple. Don't cut the apple. Now it's time to turn some sentences from negative to positive, means affirmative. I cannot understand. I can understand. I do not like that music at my dinner. I like that music at my dinner. The other did not know what to do. The other knew what to do. Traveling from China to India was not an easy task. Traveling from China to India was an easy task. It made no difference to us. It made a difference to us. Never trust a friend who deserts you at a pinch. Trust a friend who deserts you at a pinch. Can you make the statements positive without changing the meaning? Let us try to converting some more sentences. Try to change the above sentences. I do not like that music at my dinner. I hate that music at my dinner. The other did not know what to do. The other were unaware as for what to do. Traveling from China to India was not an easy task. Traveling from China to India was a difficult task. The boy was not happy. The boy was sad. Elephant is not a small animal. Elephant is a very big animal. Now, 2 minutes of oral work. Think of as many commands as possible within 2 minutes that begin with the following words. Cross. Cross the road on zebra crossing. Help. Help your friend in studies. Wash. Wash your hand before eating anything. Study. Study hard. Take. Take that paper sheet from the table. 2 minutes of oral work. Think of as many negative words as possible within 2 minutes. No one, nobody, nowhere, nothing, none, non-violence, non-stick. Students, I hope you enjoy this English session. Goodbye.